Are you tired of outside noise disturbing your peace? Or water leakage during monsoon? Or cheap windows that start giving problems in just a few months? Aluminium quality matters. Most people face this because low quality materials and poor installation are used. At Rollwin, we solve these problems permanently. Sound dampening windows for peaceful sleep. Heavy-duty aluminium sections for long life. Smooth sliding systems with premium fittings, traffic, construction, loud surroundings. It affects your peace every single day. At Rollwin, we provide advanced sound dampening window solutions designed for real results, not just promises. We even provide a very strong processed solid glass option, which gives excellent sound reduction at a much lower cost than other glass glazing options. And for very premium requirements, our layered safety glass gives top-level performance. A calmer, quieter, more peaceful home. We have been doing this work since 1992. Hundreds of satisfied customers. Strong reputation in Pune. We have been trusted since 1992 for quality, durability, and after-sales service. If you want long-lasting quality, not temporary work, contact Rollwin today and get your estimate now.